How to kickstart your IPMAT preparation? Hmm, that's an interesting question and quite a difficult one to answer. But you know what? Set your apprehensions aside and enjoy the ride with Eddie Knight.
Hello and welcome back to EduNight. So we are back with another video which is all about how to kickstart your IPMAT prep. This video contains the syllabus as well as the material that you should follow in order to start your IPMAT journey with us. So we get asked a lot of questions about IPMAT and we have listed a few of them. The first being, when is the ideal time to start the IPMAT prep? What we have to say is that the right time is now. If you watch this video maybe 6 months before the exam, 7 months, or even 1 month before the exam, don't waste any more time because it is very precious that you start early and you will always have an edge over so many students. Now, talking about the exam pattern, we've made this video specifically about the IPM programs of different IMs, and the other BBA programs will be covered in another video. So, starting with IPMAT Indore, the paper for the 2019 was 400 marks, but for the past 2 years, for 2020 and 2021, the total marks have been reduced to 240. So there are three sections, that is the quantitative aptitude, short answer where you don't have any negative marking, you have four answers, you have to type in the answer. Then there is multiple choice question which will have +4 and -1, and there is verbal ability section. Talking about IBMAT Rohtak, the paper is generally of 480 marks, which is divided into three main sections. So in Indore, we saw that there was no LR section, but Rohtak and JIPMAT have also introduced the LR section. So the QA section includes 40 questions of 4 marks each and -1. The LR section, 40 questions, 4 marks and -1, and same goes with the verbal ability section. So we'll see that the quantitative ability and the verbal ability sections are those which will be common in most of the exams. And then comes the JIPMAT exam. JIPMAT is a common entrance test that is conducted by the NTA specifically for IIM Jammu and Bodh Gaya. It is divided into again three sections, just similar to the IPMAT Rohtak exam. So the QA section is 33 questions, which will give us +4 and -1. LR section again 33 questions, and BA section is 34 questions. Now we've spoken about the different sections, but what exactly are the type of questions that we should expect? We look into it in the next slide. So talking about the syllabus, when we talk about the syllabus of particularly quantitative aptitude, it is going to vary from one exam to another. So when you talk about IPMAT Indore, out of all of these sections, so we have divided the main quants into six main divisions, that is number system, arithmetic, algebra, geometry, modern maths, and higher maths. So when we talk about IPMAT Indore, what plays a major role would be algebra, modern maths, and higher maths, along with number systems. But for in the 2019 paper, we also saw that geometry was very important. But in the past 2 years, we did not see much of the questions coming from the geometry section. Then when you have to give IPMAT Rohtak and Jammu JIPMAT, your main focus should be on the arithmetic part. So your questions would be from the 9th and the 10th standard mostly, and there will be a bit of the topics touched upon in your 11th standard. So here I would suggest you all to go through NCERT books of 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th standard. You can also go for R.S. Agarwal and R.D. Sharma, and the best one for go-to book for arithmetic would be CAT. You can discuss, you can see the topper strategy and the books that they used in our previous video. We will link that video. The next section, which plays an important part in the Rohtak and JIPMAT exam, is the LR section. So it is mainly divided into two parts, which is the basic logical reasoning and the other would be verbal reasoning. So in logical reasoning, you would see questions from analogy, coding, decoding, input, output, blood relations. So these are easy topics which would, like, if you see them once and practice intermittently at different intervals, you just you'll be through it. And what takes a lot of efforts and understanding of the topic is the critical reasoning section. So strong in the arguments, assertion, and reasoning. So for that, I would highly recommend you all to read newspapers as well as solve as many questions as you can. Now coming back to VA. So VA is mainly, it is divided into three sections. One is vocabulary and idioms and phrases. The other is English grammar, and the third one would be reading comprehension. So reading comprehension, there is no other key other than having a great and a keen, diligent habit of reading and understanding, not just a brisk reading, but understanding and formulating your summary of the part that you have read. For English grammar, you can also look through books like Brush Up Your English by S.T. Imam and Renan Martin. They are go-to books. You can brush up the rules, and for vocabs and idioms and phrases, try and practice, learn a few words every day, and try, other than just learning them, try using them. Try using them in your conversations. Yes, that is for me. So with all of these resources at your disposal, when are you going to start? Don't worry, we've got this question covered. Here at EduNight, we are providing you with absolutely free in-depth lectures which would be uploaded in the next few days on YouTube itself. We have daily quizzes on Telegram. We have chapter-wise and topic-wise questions which would be provided in the PDF form after the lecture has been taken. And in some time, we also plan to give you all mocks. And again, all of this for free by the students for the students.
Coming up next.
तो आज क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड का अलजेब्रा का सबसे बेसिक पोर्शन लॉगरिथम से स्टार्ट करते हैं.
So I wish you all the best for the exams, and thank you so much for watching.